Axie limitlessness value kind of equivalent to $4.7857 a coin. The present exchange cost range, 4.5538 4.8090, in every practical sense, in opposition to prevalent thinking. The earlier day close, 4.7091, sort of in opposition to mainstream thinking. The change truly was plus 0.0766, plus 1.63% in an unobtrusive way. Converse rate, USD to Axie, most certainly in spite of mainstream thinking. Axie limitlessness estimate on Monday, June 19, cost $4.51, extremely greatest 4.83, least 4.19, which sort of is genuinely critical. Axie boundlessness cost expectation on Tuesday, June 20, cost $4.47, lovely most extreme 4.78, genuinely least 4.16, certainly as opposed to mainstream thinking. Axie limitlessness figure on Wednesday, June 21, cost $4.44, kind of greatest 4.75, truly least 4.13, or so they truly thought. In multi-week Axie vastness cost forecast on Thursday, June 22, cost $3.73, beautiful greatest 3.99, extremely least 3.47, truly further appearance how the earlier day close, 4.7091, which by and large is very huge. Axie boundlessness gauge on Friday, June 23, cost $3.59, greatest 3.84, sort of least 3.34, which especially is genuinely huge. Axie endlessness cost expectation on Monday, June 26, cost $3.57, greatest 3.82, for the most part least 3.32, which explicitly is genuinely critical. Axie boundlessness conjecture on Tuesday, June 27, cost $3.31, for the most part greatest 3.54, in every practical sense, least 3.08, which by and large is genuinely critical. Axie vastness cost expectation on Wednesday, June 28, cost $3.41, kind of most extreme 3.65, especially least 3.17 in an especially significant way. In about 14 days Axie vastness figure on Thursday, June 29, cost $3.10, essentially greatest 3.32, least 2.88. Axie vastness cost expectation on Friday, June 30, cost $3.13, exceptionally greatest 3.35, fundamentally least 2.91, which explicitly is very huge. Axie boundlessness gauge on Monday, July 3, cost $3.14, greatest 3.36, least 2.92, or so they sort of thought. Axie boundlessness cost expectation on Tuesday, July 4, cost $3.21, genuinely greatest 3.43, lovely least 2.99, or so they in every practical sense thought. Axie vastness conjecture on Wednesday, July 5, cost $3.27, greatest 3.50, especially least 3.04, which sort of is genuinely critical. In 3 weeks Axie boundlessness cost expectation on Thursday, July 6, cost $3.17, genuinely most extreme 3.39, kind of least 2.95, which really is very critical. Axie limitlessness conjecture on Friday, July 7, cost $3.12, especially greatest 3.34, genuinely least 2.90 in an especially enormous way. Axie boundlessness cost forecast on Monday, July 10, cost $3.13, genuinely greatest 3.35, kind of least 2.91 in an exceptionally large manner. Axie boundlessness estimate on Tuesday, July 11, cost $3.20, kind of greatest 3.42, kind of least 2.98, or so they basically thought. Axie vastness cost expectation on Wednesday, July 12, cost $3.27, in every way that really matters, greatest 3.50, genuinely least 3.04 in a significant way. In about a month Axie boundlessness estimate on Thursday, July 13, cost $3.25, extremely greatest 3.48, sort of least 3.02, which generally is genuinely critical. Axie vastness cost expectation on Friday, July 14, cost $3.38, by and large greatest 3.62, kind of least 3.14, which truly is genuinely critical. Axie endlessness conjecture on Monday, July 17, cost $3.25, most extreme 3.48, beautiful least 3.02. So Axie limitlessness cost expectation on Tuesday, July 4, cost $3.21, truly greatest 3.43, least 2.99, which truly is very huge. USD to Axie swapping scale commonly equivalent to 0.2090 coins per $1 in a kind of huge manner. Today, S reach 0.2079 - 0.2196 in a truly significant way. The past day, S nearby, 0.2124, which in every practical sense is genuinely critical. Change for now 0.0034, 1.60% in a significant way. USD to Axie cost estimate for, in the not-so-distant future in month, which really shows that today, S reach 0.2079-0.2196 in an unobtrusive way. Dollar to Axie vastness figure on Friday, June 16, cost 0.221 coins, certainly greatest 0.238, least 0.207 in an unpretentious way. USD to Axie expectation on Monday, June 19, cost 0.222 coins, exceptionally greatest 0.239, certainly least 0.207, or so they really thought. Dollar to Axie boundlessness conjecture on Tuesday, June 20, cost 0.224 coins, exceptionally greatest 0.240, kind of least 0.209 in a quite large manner. USD to Axie expectation on Wednesday, June 21, cost 0.225 coins, greatest 0.242, for the most part least 0.211 in an unpretentious manner. In multi-week dollar to Axie limitlessness estimate on Thursday, June 22, cost 0.268 coins, essentially greatest 0.288, fundamentally least 0.251 in an every practical sense, enormous way. USD to Axie forecast on Friday, June 23, cost 0.279 coins, especially most extreme 0.299, genuinely least 0.260, or so they explicitly thought. Dollar to Axie vastness figure on Monday, June 26, cost 0.280 coins, genuinely greatest 0.301 in every practical sense, least 0.262, which by and large is very critical. USD to Axie forecast on Tuesday, June 27, cost 0.302 coins, kind of greatest 0.325, kind of least 0.282, sort of in opposition to mainstream thinking. Dollar to Axie boundlessness gauge on Wednesday, June 28, cost 0.293 coins, especially greatest 0.315, in every way that really matters, least 0.274, which generally is very critical. In about 14 days USD to Axie forecast on Thursday, June 29, cost 0.323 coins, fundamentally greatest 0.347, truly least 0.301, which by and large is very critical. Dollar to Axie vastness figure on Friday, June 30, cost 0.319 coins, all things considered, most extreme 0.344, least 0.299, which is genuinely huge. Dollar to Axie endlessness figure on Tuesday, July 4, cost 0.312 coins, genuinely most extreme 0.334, lovely least 0.292, or so they in every practical sense thought. USD to Axie expectation on Wednesday, July 5, cost 0.306 coins, sort of greatest 0.329, certainly least 0.286.